In the PBA, players grow up dreaming of one day winning the MVP. Tonight, one of these players is going to be part of the history book as the league's top player for the 2011 and 2012 season.
And the official candidates for the MVP award are...
From your Powerade Tigers, Gary David. Gary David, yes sir! Gary David ties the game! El Granada for three! Kaboom!
And from the Ginebra Shindig, Mark Kagiwa.
And a Kagiwa for a three! Bang! And to award the Most Valuable Player trophy, our PBA Commissioner Chito Salud and Chairman Mamerto Mondragon. And the Most Valuable Player of the 37th season of your Philippine Basketball Association is from your Barangay Ginebra Shindig, Mark the Spark Kagiwa!
Lapit talaga ni Mike. MVP.
So finally, a Most Valuable Player, Mark the Spark Kagiwa.
And for Mark Kagiwa, actually, it's been 2 years coming. Last year he was close. This time he finally gets to race the MVP trophy.
You have to wonder, anong pakiramdam ni Mark Kagiwa? He's actually holding an MVP trophy for the very first time in an illustrious career.
Yes, and Mark Kagiwa is dressed for the occasion.
Manila Classic.
Pang Manila Classico yung dinala ni Mark Kagiwa sa araw na to.
Well, certainly Mark dressed for the part tonight, and he certainly played the part.
Kagiwa, because he had to come up with a very good third conference. That BPC, doon sa third conference, that may have been the clincher, Miko.
Alam namin, yung mga nanonood sa loob ng Big Dog at yung mga Ginebra fans na nanonood all over the world, gusto marinig ang tinig ng kanilang Most Valuable Player. Tahingan natin, Mark the Spark Kagiwa.
Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Kakanta ako ngayong gabi. First and foremost, I want to thank the Lord for all the blessings. I would like to thank the press, the media, and the PBA Commissioner for this award. I would like to thank the Ginebra San Miguel management and the coaching staff, and especially my teammates, for making this possible. And to the fans, for the inspiration you gave me to play every game. You make me proud to wear the Ginebra jersey. Thank you for making this moment and my career in the PBA unforgettable. Tagalog naman, ha? At nais ko pasalamatan ang mga taong bumoto sa akin at ang mga fans na walang sawa sa pagsuporta sa karir ko at hindi nawala ng pag-asa na makamit ang award na ito na matagal nang inaasam-asam ng lahat. At sa inyong palakpakan at sigawan, tilian, doon ako nakakuha ng inspirasyon galing sa inyo. Ang kahilingan ko lang sa inyong mga fans na ipagpatuloy ang inyong walang asawang panood sa Ginebra at sa PBA. Kahit umulan man o bumagyo, at para mapanood niyo lang ang mga paboritong kumpanya